looks like a princess, right?
Yeah.
Now, okay, catch it. Mashallah, don't shake, don't shake, don't shake. Let's go, Princess Elsa is in house. Wow, she's happy. Come here, come here, come here. Spasiba, there you go. Wash your hands. Come it out. Come it out.
Good.
Don't worry, I'm gonna try to call as many as I can. I like your shoes. Come here, what's your name? Huh? Mannat. By any chance you're related to Shah Rukh Khan?
Yeah.
No? Alright, hold it up. Where you go for it?
Who's that?
Oh, who's Shah Rukh Khan? Thank you so much. Shah Rukh Khan, okay, we'll do one more up, please. Let's do it. Come on, boy. Come this side. Hold it. I don't know why, but he reminds me of Justin Bieber when he was younger. I'll take you for the big bird. For the big bird.
You have one coming. Look at him. You cannot say no, right?
Hold it. Okay, he's gonna do it all by himself. Last one, okay? It's okay, we got a little baby. Bravo! Hey! You know what I like about this boy?
What?
His expression, zero.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ronnie. We appreciate that, brother. Okay, now everybody get ready. We are calling the second largest parrot in the world. Every bird has something special. This boy loves to play skateboard. Please welcome Superman Rex.
Yalla everybody, clap your hands.
Come on, everybody.
Better.
Hey, brother. By the way, you're asking me who's Shah Rukh Khan, right? He's almost in the top 3 actors in India. And his whole name is Mannat. The house is named Mannat. I've never been to India, but I read a lot about
Where are
India.
you from?
China.
China?
Okay, why I call him Superman? Everybody watch carefully. Superman will do some acting. DJ, bro, I want to be a superhero.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man
No,
is
no,
the
no,
dog.
no, not
That's-
Spider-Man.
Tomorrow is Spider-Man.
I'm out of webs. I've been throwing webs for a while. I'll be Rambo.
Rambo, everybody watch. You have bow and arrow. Shoot your bow to him.
I'll throw grenade this time.
Okay, look, everybody.
Wait for it. Wait for it. And he's gone.
Everybody clap it up for the big boy. Bro, I want to tell you something about movies.
What?
When we talk about movies, example India movie, you know when you shoot any grenade, gun, even bomb, anything, there's
India.
only one sound. Dishkiao.
Dishkiao. All of them, they sound the same.
Yeah, and when you box, it's a dishkiao.
Maybe they came from China.
No, I love India. Alright, elders are coming this time. 2 elders. We're gonna call some beautiful birds. Why these birds are so special? Because these birds come in a movie, in a cartoon called Rio. They are coming from a movie called Rio. Toucans all the way, the beautiful one. Many birds, you don't know which one is the boy, which one is the girl. In these birds, it's very simple to find out. How? I'm gonna tell you. Welcome, the brother and sister, Rio and Ria.
Oh, brother and sister.
What's your name? Shubhangi. You're sitting and doing nothing. Come here. Come and help me to feed the bird. Okay, come on, Tom. Gentlemen, we'll take some picture. I want you to stand here and raise your right hand. It's okay. You can take out your mask. The place is sanitized totally. Please come. Raise your hand. Shubhangi, right? Keep your hand steady, straight. But make sure you don't eat the food, huh? Ready? We're gonna fly the girl to your hand. This is the girl.
Oh, awesome.
How you know the girl and the boy? Close your hand. The girl has a smaller mouth. The big boy has a bigger mouth. Thank you. Come.
Jump.
Bro, I wish this would be in real life also. You know what you're gonna do? The small mouth will be the girl.
Yeah, it can. In your dreams.
Yeah, that's what I said. This is the girl. She's so amazing. These birds cannot fly for a long distance like other birds because the wings don't grow big. She likes you. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. Have a seat.